Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of water. Now, mix all the ingredients very well. Note time to brush your teeth for 3 minutes. And for best results, use this recipe twice a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.